final element to this that is actually the most important and matters more than the two that we just gone through, which is how often you study. Because no matter what, like there is a constant in language learning and just learning in general, which is repetition, okay? Simple mechanism of learning, meaning like for your brain to be able to remember something, it has to deem it as important. And it will only deem it as important if it shows up in its environment, which is just a complicated way of saying, if you do not do it, you will lose it. Simple as that, right? And so ultimately, it doesn't matter if you study the best things possible and you do it the correct way. If you only do it once, you won't remember it. It's as simple as that, okay? And so consistency trumps everything. But another aspect to this, which is very important, is that cramming a lot of hours into a short period is actually worse than spreading the hours out. The more you spread them out and the more consistent they are, the definition of consistency is basically just the time between each study session is equal. That's what consistent means. It keeps going in the same way, right? It follows a pattern. The more spread out it is, the better it is because it's more reminders essentially. And so 100 hours of study crammed into a short period of 1 month is worse and will give you less results than 100 hours spread across 3 months or 6 months. Even if it's the same study, the same way of studying, everything's the same. The only difference is the period of time. One that is spread out more will actually be more effective. If you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.